Hey people, how are you? I'm Mr. Borges, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to post your writing assignments in Google Classroom. Let's go! So, when it comes to the writing assignment, you have two options. You can do it using a computer, or you can do it straight from the cell phone. So first of all, I'm going to teach you how to do it using your cell phone, alright? So first things first, before you start writing, you need to make sure that you have both Google Classroom and the Google Docs app. So if you don't, make sure you go to the App Store on your cell phone and download them. After that, you can go ahead and open your Google Classroom and find your writing assignment topic that your teacher posted. Use the classwork icon on the bottom part of the screen in the middle to find it. When you click your assignment, you'll be able to see instructions and more information on what you are writing about. And on the bottom of the screen, there is a part that shows your work. Simply swipe up and you'll be able to find a Google Doc file with your name on it. You are going to click on the doc and it's going to open a page inside the Google Classroom app. You will notice that you are not going to be able to write anything yet. So to start your writing, you have to click on the top right corner of the screen on a little square with an arrow. When you do it, your doc will finally open in the Google Doc app that you installed. To start writing, you just have to click the blue pencil icon on the bottom right part of the screen. Once you're finished with your writing, you don't have to save or anything. Just simply go back to the Google Classroom app and click the button Turn In. Easy, right? Now, if you're using the computer, it's even easier. Let's take a look. Using the computer, you just have to go to the Classroom website and select your classroom. When you select your classroom, you go to Classwork and find your writing topic. When you find the writing topic, you are going to click on View Assignment. When you click on the topic, you'll be able to read more information, and on the right-hand side, you can see the Google Doc and the blue button of Turning In. Just click the Google Doc and we'll open in a new Google Docs page. On this Google Docs page, you can start your writing first and second draft normally, just like you would do on the cell phone. When you are finished, go back to the Classroom app and click on the button Turn In. And that's it. You are finished with your writing assignment. If you still have any questions, you can leave a comment on this video or you can send me a private message in the Google Classroom. I'm Mr. Borges and I'm out. Bye!